And getting in news break this morning, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, who will be giving a statement in the Parliament today regarding the disengagement along the LAC. He will be making a detailed statement on the disengagement between India and China on along the LAC. So expecting a detailed statement by the External Affairs Ministry on the disengagement from both the sides and the joint patrolling that is now happening along the LAC. And with just months to go for the Delhi elections, the Aam Aadmi Party is now hit with another controversy. Naresh Balyan, the AAP MLA, has been sent to a 2-day custody after extortion charge has been levelled against the Aam Aadmi Party leader. In fact, the BJP says that there is AAP gangster extortion nexus which needs to be probed by the Delhi police. And the AAP MLA, who's now been sent to a police custody of 2 days to investigate those charges levelled by the BJP. In fact, note an audio clip, a purported audio clip in which the AAP MLA is apparently heard speaking with a gangster has also been shared by the BJP. Let's go across to Piyush Ori. He's joining us live from the national capital. Piyush, if you can quickly take us through the details of this case which is being probed by the Delhi police. The BJP has even shared a purported audio clip of the AAP MLA. Take us through the details.
So yes, good morning to you, Samiksha, and good morning to all our viewers who are viewing us at the moment. So quickly, the Delhi police has been able to get the 2-day remand of Naresh Balyan, who is the Aam Aadmi Party member of Legislative Assembly from Uttam Nagar constituency in West Delhi. Now, he has been arrested by the Delhi Police Crime Branch after there was an allegation that was levelled by the Delhi BJP as far as his involvement with a dreaded gangster known as Kapil Sangwan alias Nandu as far as extorting money from a builder is concerned. And for this purpose, the Delhi BJP had also released an audio in which he was having a conversation with Kapil Sangwan, following which he was arrested by the Delhi police. Now, very importantly, it is important to note that this case in which he has been arrested was registered in 2023, and the FIR in which he has been arrested is being charged under 191-23. So yes, the Delhi police now has also officially said that they have arrested this MLA. They have arrested Naresh Balyan because they want to understand and they want to find out the political criminal nexus. And is Naresh Balyan in a way involved in providing financial assistance to Kapil Sangwan, who is right now operating from abroad? So yes, it's going to be interesting to note that since now Delhi police have been able to get the remand, what all further revelations are they going to bring out when they are going to be releasing or when they are going to be presenting Naresh Balyan next towards the court? Back to the studio.
All right, Piyush, we leave it at that. We will keep coming back to you for more details. Let's once again tell our viewers, the BJP, while has made those specific charges against the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan, it's the Aam Aadmi Party that says that Naresh Balyan, who is allegedly linked to the gangsters, has been the very victim of gangster extortion. We get you the details in this next report.